back in school, I get to see all my friends. There's Zippy and Darcy, the squirrel twins, and my very best friend, Echo the bear. I know you're happy to see your friends too. Before school starts tomorrow, I had to make sure my Pixie pack was ready to go. I have my markers, pencils, tree sap. I bet you guys call that glue. I also have my notebooks, my color sticks, and most importantly, my mask, so I can stay safe. Make sure you get ready the night before. It will help you so much in the morning, so you don't forget anything important. Pay attention to what your teachers say. Pip hopes you have a saperific day at school. When you get home, I will be right here, so we can make our fairy tales together. Goodbye, my little dewdrops.